Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to Toronto. I'm here. I'm in the 3+3, 6, Drake's home of the Raptors. You know, I'm the new head coach. Got it. First try, I want that known. Okay, the lighting and everything in this spot is really random, but that's kind of the point behind this video. If you didn't know, I just moved to Toronto and I know a lot of people do apartment tours when they move places, and now it's kind of thing to do an empty apartment tour. So today's video is going to be a tour of my new Toronto apartment, and we're actually going to go to Ikea, and there's no shenanigans like a trip with a friend to Ikea. Soft serve ice cream, getting lost. It's gonna be something interesting. So yeah, we're gonna go with this video. I'm gonna show you my tiny apartment in Toronto that cost me double what I paid in Edmonton. Just being honest. And also why I'm filming from this random angle is, like we said, it's an empty apartment tour, so I don't have any cool YouTube setup with my background. Actually, that's pretty on brand, Loyal. We got some Adidas in the background. Shameless plug, not sponsored. Adidas. Hello, my name's Keltie O'Connor and welcome to my crib. Welcome to MTV Cribs. I don't remember what they said. This portion of the video is going to take 30 seconds, but forewarning, I do have a mattress. Let's go into my kitchen. So this is going to be really sad. I haven't had a chance to really grocery shop. I've been eating out a lot. Oh God. So we got some peanut butter, energy drink, some hummus. I ate chips. So we got some healthy things. Don't forget your micronutrients. We got some carrots, some kale mix, some sauces, and rice. And that's literally all there is. Judge me. Got some pre-workout. We got some candy. Pre-workout right here. Or all day, actually. And then this is kind of the open hallway area. Got a nice fancy stove, which I have not used yet. Microwave, sink, self-explanatory. Me, I got a closet. This is the only closet space I have in my entire tiny apartment because big city problems. This is all I have, so I will be buying a dresser and putting it right there. Pretty much Toronto is like the New York of Canada, if you don't know. So same kind of idea. It is very hard to get an apartment, and especially get everything you want. My amenities in my apartment building, we can go on about them. Speaking of which, the one piece of furniture and decoration I have, my basketball mini hoop came with me from Edmonton. I got my MJ jersey hanging up on this really ghetto coat hanger because this was already there. So I was like, you know what? That's how we're gonna hang it until I can do something better. And then if you flip over to the other side is my New York Yankees one, which is a very, very important. I'm not like a super big baseball fan, but this is very sentimental to me. Same with my MJ. The reason being, the first time I ever went to New York, I went to watch the Yankee game, and that New York trip was just very important to me, and it was very life-changing, and it was the best summer I had up to that point. This is the best summer, and that just kind of reminds me of just some important things in my life, and so I like that. And I did get it at the Yankee Stadium, so that's just pretty iconic, so that's why I have that there. And here is all I came with from Edmonton. 3 bags, that was it. So yeah, that's why I don't have anything. I need to purchase it. So this is my closet right now. That is really ghetto and pathetic. Now we're gonna spin around into the other room. By other room, I mean bachelor problem. So I do have a mattress. It is on the floor right now, which is really ghetto, but like I said, we're going to Ikea, so hopefully they change that. Ooh. This mattress is an Endy mattress, and they hooked it up because I came in really late on the Sunday, 11 p.m., and I would like to have a place to sleep, so they hooked it up, so they delivered it beforehand. So I actually, when I moved in, had a place to sleep, which is really nice. I just had this one sheet that I brought, but then I went and bought the duvet and all that. Oh, the pillows are also from them. And fully recommend. I will do a full review because I know a lot of people ask me about it on Instagram when I post it. You can follow me here. Shameless plug. Yeah, a lot of people ask me about the Endy mattress. I'm so happy with it. It's not super soft. Like, it's not like you're gonna sink in, but it's not super firm. It's a happy medium, which is perfect for me. But like I said, I think I'm gonna do a full video because I got so many questions about it. But so far, I'm very happy. It just needs to not be on the ground. We go from here to my bathroom. What's up? Sink, toilet, shower, awesome shower head, towels. That's all she wrote. And I do have some patio furniture, so that's where I've been eating when I'm not eating out. So really what I mean is that I get takeout and eat it there. Whew, small victories. Soon I will have it, and then, you know what, I'm excited. I'm not a cooking YouTuber, I don't do that. But sometimes it's fun to have food ones, and I think my kitchen is really nice lighting and set up to do cooking show-esque videos. So if you want anything like that, let me know. And yeah, here is my apartment. It is small, but it is a great location. I don't want to say exactly where I am because I trust you, but maybe not you. Let's just say I could go walk to a Blue Jays game in 5 minutes. And yeah, that's my apartment. I'm so happy to be here. I'm already so in love with the city, hence I moved. There's just so much going on and so much to do. So if you have anything you guys want me to bring along with, whether it be modeling or the influencer gigs or just events I go to, clothing stores in Toronto, restaurants, anything, comment below. And I'm just excited to explore Toronto with you guys. Now that you've seen my amazing crib, we're gonna go fill my crib with Ikea things with my friend Mercedes. I met her via Instagram because that's how we meet people these days. Instagram, DMs, Tinder, Bumble. It's a world. I've been on it for a total like half an hour and it was... Here is my lovely apartment. I'm so happy to be here. Let's go to Ikea and make it not so sad of an apartment. Ikea, we're here. I'm with Mercedes, I was telling you about, and we're already lost.
Where should we start? Like over there? Okay.
Front. Ballet, ballet. You should. What a staged Instagram photos. We're just going and just doing stage pictures. Be like Instagram or real life. You'll never know. Either look like you're laughing or like just be like, oh, cheers to the world. Yes, like that. You're having so much fun. This is your amusement park. Your feet up. Like you so okay. How's your seat?
I'm so accurate.
Behind the scenes of all Instagram photo shoots. Next time you think of a girl laughing at a salad, no, it's 100 photos of her friends being like, laugh, laugh. Mercedes, where do you just take a photo? Insert picture here. Just no chill. My mom's gonna be really angry when I tell her I went to Ikea and got no furniture for my unfurnished apartment, but I got Instagram photos. Priorities. So fun hack, if you want to step up your Instagram game and you're like, I need a bunch of different backgrounds, it's snowing out, you don't want to do ones outdoors, go to Ikea. Take them in different locations. Instagram hack for you guys. We didn't get kicked out. I thought for sure the last little bit when Mercedes, we were throwing everything into a cart and pushing it around. I was like, yeah. I balanced a bunch of pots on my head, didn't kicked out. So you know what? Successful Ikea. Until I had ice cream at the end, and if you follow me on Instagram at Keltie O'Connor, it started melting. Of course, the most packed time of Ikea. It's melting all down my arms, all over me, and people are walking by me and think, what is this girl doing? It's for the gram, millennial problems. Oh, what is my life? Yeah, my apartment, it's been a few days, still haven't got much more in it, but I'm in Toronto and I'm so excited. I have so many moments lately where I actually cry. I'm not a crier, I cry like once a year, but just happy tears. Last night I was walking home from the grocery store, I look up and see the CN Tower and it's such like Sex and the City vibes. Single girl in the city, I got a couple of my girlfriends, we're all just trying to make it in the world. One of mine is an interior designer, the other's in marketing, I'm in entertainment, I guess would be the category, and I don't even care that my apartment is empty right now. I don't want to spend any time in my apartment, I just want to be out enjoying the city, and I'm so happy, and sometimes I just have one of those moments I look up. You're here? This is real. Here is my empty apartment tour. If you're new to my channel, feel free to hit subscribe as I take on Toronto and the world in a pair of stretchy pants. I've got some fun videos coming up for you guys, some different workouts, some different classes here in Toronto, so if you want to check that out, stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry this is a really random video. Love y'all!